In this video, we'll see how to use the Production Instructions app to add instructions to a bill of materials or BOM. From your production BOM, choose Instructions, and then add any type of instructions. Simply add a description of the instructions, and then add the details. To add another set, go to the next line and enter another description and the details. You can make the text into a numbered list and highlight important information. If you have different versions of the BOM, you have the option of adding different sets of instructions. Save time by copying an existing BOM or BOM version, which will also copy the instructions. Then you can update the instructions as needed. When production orders are created from the BOM, the instructions are automatically added. Production operators can access the instructions directly from the production order. And as they complete the steps in a released production order, they can mark the steps as complete. Contact Nix Systems for more information.